Welcome to Genki1, Lesson 7, Grammar Point 2. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to describe people's appearances, and I'm also going to talk about the verbs used to describe wearing clothes on various parts of your body. Okay, so in Grammar Point 2, they point out that in Japanese, we don't generally use the verb has to describe personal appearance the way that we do in English. In English, you would say somebody has big eyes or they have long legs. In Japanese, we tend to use the noun ga adjective phrase instead. So the sentence structure is person wa physical attribute ga adjective desu. In the chart here on the left-hand side, we have various nouns for different body parts. At the end of lesson 7, there is a page with a couple of illustrations. One is a baby and one is a sumo wrestler, and you can go there to learn the different nouns for different parts of your body. So me here means eyes, hana, nose, mimi, ears, te, hands, ashi, legs and feet. You can connect this body part with the particle ga and then adjectives such as oki, chisai, kawaii, etc. So some examples, or one example of this, and then also some set phrases that you need to learn. Mary-san wa me ga ookii desu. So Mary has big eyes. The next 3 example sentences are set phrases that follow this same pattern. So we have Takeshi-san wa sei ga takai desu, and its inverse, which is Sue-san wa sei ga hikui desu. So sei ga takai and sei ga hikui refer to height. Sei is a word that means back. So I guess literally you're saying someone's back is high or low, but this is how you describe height. We do have like takai meaning tall for other objects, or mijikai meaning short for items like a pencil, but you wouldn't use these to describe height. We use sei ga takai and sei ga hikui. Another set phrase Genki gives us is Ken-san wa atama ga ii desu. Atama ga ii means somebody is intelligent or smart. Atama means head. We already know the adjective ii means to be good. If you want to say someone is not smart, you can either negate the adjective, atama ga yokunai desu, right? So they are not smart. Or you can use the adjective warui, atama ga warui desu. So someone is stupid or dumb. We can also use some new vocab words to describe weight. Yamada sensei wa yasete imasu. Tanaka sensei wa futotte imasu. So these are examples from grammar point 1 in which the te imasu form describes the lasting situation resulting from a change in status. Or you can just remember yasete imasu means thin, Yamada sensei is thin, Tanaka sensei is heavy. Okay, another thing I want to cover here is the verbs you have to use to talk about where clothing is worn or accessories are worn. So in English, we just use wear for everything. Wear a hat, wear shoes, wear glasses. Doesn't work that way in Japanese. So you have to learn some different verbs. The first one is kaburu, which is an u verb, conjugates as kaburimasu in the mas form, or with a small tsu plus a te, kabutte in the te form. Depending on whether you're using the mas form or the te imasu form, this can refer to putting the item on or that you are currently wearing the item. If you know the noun kabuto, kabuto means helmet in Japanese. If you do origami, one of the very easiest types of origami you can learn is that helmet is a kabuto. Next we have kiru as a ru verb, so kimasu, kite. This means to put on or to wear on your upper body. You can remember this one from kimono, because a kimono is a Japanese garment that hangs from your shoulders. For your lower body, so pants, skirts, shoes, and socks, we use haku, which is an u verb, so hakimasu. The te form is haite. And finally, for glasses, megane, you can use the verb kakeru, which is a do verb, so kakemasu, kakete, megane o kakete imasu, to wear glasses. Some examples here. 私はあんまり帽子をかぶりません. I don't wear hats much. Then we have たけしさんはかっこいい T シャツを着ています. Takeshi is wearing a cool t-shirt. 今、私はスリッパを履いています. I'm recording this during the COVID-19 lockdown time frame. So yes, it's true. Now I am wearing slippers. And finally, 山下先生はメガネをかけています. So that can either be Yamashita sensei is wearing glasses or Yamashita sensei wears glasses. And this works kind of the same as yasete imasu or futotte imasu. You put the glasses on your face and they stay there and they're there most of the time. So we can use the te imasu form. So that's grammar point 2. Thanks for watching. See you around.